She is an astrophysicist named Andrea Ghez, Nobel Prize winner, won the Nobel Prize in physics. She was or still is a professor at UCLA, which is where I did my PhD.
Okay.
And she was actually on my dissertation committee. So, she was
Hell
like one of the
yeah.
people that signed off on my dissertation. And what she did was over the past 2 decades or so, she was making observations, her and her research group, of this region at the dead center of our galaxy, dead center of the Milky Way galaxy. And we suspect that there's a black hole there, but black holes notoriously are black. You can't see them, but you can see things that they affect. So if there was a star that was orbiting around a black hole, you could hypothesize that if we look at somewhere where there may be a black hole, maybe we'll see a star orbiting something invisible. And she set up these observations over decades to prove that there is something that is exactly the mass of what we think a supermassive black hole would be at the center of our galaxy. Won a Nobel Prize for it. Super dope. He won that award joint with another researcher, a guy, an old white dude, I forget where, is somewhere in Europe, who made like similar observations over a similar time period. So it's kind of like they both provided the evidence to prove that that black hole was there. So he just had like negative things to say about Andrea and her group, and she never said anything negative, and she kind of just like almost like ignored it and just kept on and like kept doing her thing. And I just feel like I really respected that, and a piece of me, it resonated, with me being like, why is this? Would this guy have made those comments if it was like another dude that he was sharing it with? I don't know. Probably not, right? And like, what did she do wrong? She was like, you know what I mean? Like, she grew up, she was like, oh, she liked space, she liked stars.